Sasha Johnny Walker Black.
Yeah.
Speaking samba namachita sihari pasi.
Mnandi. Yeah.
So still lapha ayabona uthi nenyabuya aphume ikarala. Abuya athenge ibox enama Johnny Walker ayi12 ngaphakathi. Uthenge lethina ngathi.
Yeah.
Ayibeke la ayikhabe so athi maseko nang la masimba nophuza. Sasazangihlanyela. To this day unganginingi etsholiyo. Ngamtshela kahle ngithi no asiphuza masimba mngana ngayibuse. Abangani bathi ngathi bafethu. It's tools.
Yeah, it's tools.
That guy apologized for a whole year. Kimna ngikwatelanga.
Yeah.
But at least now you know. Ungangithathi kancane.
I'm sure John okibhekile manje uzokufonela ukuthi I was over advertiser right.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine mara ngeke ngiphuze on TV.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Mara remember that I chose it before they chose me. So ngangizikhethele yona. It's a nice drink.
Yes.
Mara lo why associate and disrespect. So never accept anything le winuka nge disrespect. Umntaka yaba lento ukuthi we ice boy ningavumi.
That's true.
Noma ibraka umreki mabaka kubiza ice boy ungasamskimi.
Yeah, and yibo labo bomreki abadelelayo. That is why I'm saying
No,
you're the
we
second
are
person. When you're the second person after ulona uThithimba
Yeah.
to actually say this on air. Ukuthi ungazinyizi umuntu. Vuka ugeze ubangene.
Your friend must come to you because you are ngani.
That's true. Uzowavuka.
Yeah. Masiphethe lena uzo boy awuze namakhula box. Khona enye ibraya me famous bake bayaphonsa ngekhiya sisendaweni kai somewhere.
Eish.
But boy awuze nama champagne lapha eBhuthini waScott ngathi endoda uyapi? Arno ngiyakira ubani la uthe hayi ibraya ekuphonsile isikhiya kanje kahle athi mnganami. Emana siyaphelela uye quite manje sekayakubonisa kubona
sithi into ayijwayele.
Arno ngilethela ngithi no.
Yeah, ilabanta abajwayele.
Mina I was there bebangihafa kuya lapha ya. Wena ibra yakho unemali edlule yakho uphonsile isikhiya kanje athi ulanda amatshwala emotweni. Ungazehlisa isithunzi.
Yeah, and iyenzeka.
La uthi yangizonda le ebeyiphonsa isikhiya. Yangizonda for maybe a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Later abuya kimi athi no anyakuza.
Marivar, yeah.
Ngiyakuza ukuthi ungazivumeli ukudelela umuntu. Ungafana nabo Cherry afika athi ha wena thwa ngamshaya induku zokunika 10,000 come here bese uyana.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. uThepho Maseko, i-actor, abe ku-interview kesana where he spoke about kungavumi ku-accepta into loyinikwa muntu out of disrespect. uThepho Maseko uyi-actor. He was born on the 7th of March 1974 kani wala South Africa ke wadalela laphana ePretoria. uyi-actor, television presenter kani ushade namorapedi wakaMaseko bashada 2013. Samati kakhulu actor laphana ku-isidingo. So kane interview lapho kakhuluma khona ukuthi people should not accept into labanika dona bantu out of disrespect kesana, and it's true kesana kunabantu abaqanga ukuthi alabanye abantu babo ice boy babo, so umuntu akutreat noma ngabe njani angabe nenzaba nokuthi usebantwini just because uyaqoqa ukuthi zaka iphethwe nguye, and uthi ngisho udespite kangakanani, ngisho ukuthi kangakanani into, but if umuntu akuniketa something akuofarisha something out of disrespect, yala ngawe ungavumi ngawe. And people are saying ukuthi cha ukhuluma liqiniso mnetfu, lo khuluma ko liqiniso njena lelingana kuphikiswa. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.